Yo, what's up, guys? So, for today, we have news in 5 minutes, and basically, I'm expecting news to drive us to this external high right here. That is the nearest strong liquidity, so it is around like 130 points away. We also have this unfilled 4-hour gap right here, but market open displaced higher, and we inverted this big 5-minute gap right here. So just looking for news just to carry us higher in the next 5 minutes. This draws like around like 120 points away, so it's something good to target. This is really what I'm focused on right now. I'm looking to see, I'm looking to take a trade to this high right here. But if news does end up opening lower, I wouldn't be opposed to shorting to this gap, but honestly, it looks pretty unlikely. We took out previous day high right here, and then we took out like Asia lows and London highs and Asia highs and London lows. So we took out all of the session lows and highs. So this is really the next higher draw. So that is what I'm focused on. But yeah, we just gotta wait 4 minutes, see what PMI ends up giving us, and then we go from there. So ideally, you just want to see this 5-minute fair value gap hold. That would just be a good indicator. So like maybe this delivers us higher, but yeah, I mean PMI, I don't think it's like, there's a possibility, of course, that PMI could just shoot up and take out the draw, but like 120 points PMI candle, I don't know about that. I don't think it could really happen, but anything could happen. So yeah, we got 3 minutes left. We also had some high impact news at like what, 8:15, something like that. 8:15, yeah. So this was the another high impact news event. So these highs got taken out. Yeah, this was it. This got taken out. Check out this buy side right here as well. Looks like we are reacting a little bit off this 5-minute gap. That's looking good, but we need a little bit more displacement out of this gap. But yeah, got like a minute, 10 seconds left till this news release. All right. Yep. So 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, and then we see something. All right, here we go. Okay. News manipulating lower. Maybe this could get taken out if it wants to keep going lower. Let's actually draw a fib out and see like where we are. Okay, so we're around equilibrium of this range right now, but so let's see if this holds and we can just push up higher. Okay, so this is news low, and then we didn't even print a news high wick. So we just have this little volume imbalance right here from news release. Right here is a volume imbalance. So we'll see if price wants to just shoot up and then disrespect this volume imbalance, or fill it and then continue back down to news low. Just got to be a little bit patient here. Just gotta wait. Not really much going on 2 minutes after news, so I'm not seeing much. Okay, now we're seeing some movement towards data low. I think if we get a nice close past data low, this low is looking pretty good to get taken out. Let's check ES really quick, see what's going on. Alright, so ES didn't even take out the same data low yet. So no SMTs or anything. Not really seeing any strong moves yet, but we're waiting for that strong move. Okay, should be taken any second now. Alright. NQ took out data low. We'll see how it reacts off of that. We have this little gap right here. So if we can push up higher, get a nice displacing push higher, then we'll see this buy side get taken, and then we'll continue higher to this next high. But looks like NQ is just stalling, waiting for ES to make that push lower and take out news high as well. We're not instantly reacting off of taking data low, so I think ES is going to follow through and take this as well. Then we'll see some push lower. See this low get taken. Then we got this low right here. And then on the 4-hour, we got this right here. So, yeah, I mean, if we get some sort of displacement close, try to see if we can get some sort of retrace higher. So, like, right, like somewhere over here, I don't know. It doesn't need to be here, but just a retrace and then back down into here. If we could, my bad. If we could get that, that would be huge. Yeah, the 5-minute gap is all the way over here. I don't expect a retrace all the way to this gap. So, might just look for like a little 1-minute flip due to how close we are to the next draws on liquidity, right here and right here. All right, well, we just took that without us. Next is this 4-hour gap right here. We'll see if we get some sort of entry to it. If not, then it is what it is. It's just going to dump without us, and we just got to deal with that. Looks like we're not going to get an entry, honestly. All right, well, ES didn't take out this low right here. It's kind of rejecting after NQ took out the same low, right? This low right here. So, since we have an SMT at these lows, I'm not immediately bullish after this, but I'm just looking for maybe now we have this 5-minute gap opening up. So we could still see something where it's like we get a retrace into this 5-minute right here, and then we get some sort of displacement lower. And then we can go back and target this 4-hour gap, and then ES can go and take out this low again. So it's still a possibility for shorts. And if this 5-minute ends up getting inverted, then this SMT will hold us, and then we'll go and take out this buy side level right here, and then this buy side level right here on the higher time frame. So that's kind of my thought process going into the situation right now. Because this SMT is sending us back into internal liquidity, and then maybe we can go from internal liquidity back to external liquidity. So that's what I'm looking at. But I'm still open again, right? We could, this SMT could really just hold us, and then we could just go higher. That is completely valid. I just need some strong confirmation from these next candles off of this 5-minute gap. Just need to see a lot of volume back to the downside. Yep. Stalling a little bit in this 5-minute gap. That 1-minute gap right here, it's being respected. So we see a little rejection off of it. So we'll see if that that gap holds, or we just see a continuation to the downside. Just playing the winning game again. Playing, being patient, just waiting. This is just like really the reality of trading. It's boring. It's supposed to be boring. None of this is supposed to be fun in any way. So we are like kind of rejecting off of this, the midpoint of this gap. But I just want to see like a follow through after this rejection. So I just want to see like a nice close, like a nice displacement close. I'll look to take my entry. Accumulating a little bit. Let's make a move. Make a move higher. Make a move lower. Do something, bro. Don't be stuck in this little micro range right now. Pick your direction. Okay. Okay. Now we're seeing something. No? Maybe? Yes? No? something. Yeah, so the little micro range that we're in, we got this range high right here, the range low right here. So we are just seeing what side it's breaking out of. So it looks like we're breaking out of this range high right here. We are continuing higher. Yeah, so I mean, just by the looks of it, just by seeing this wick, I think this SMT is valid. It is a prominent low, right? It's a nice swing low. We see a nice reaction off of it. Now we're just waiting for some confirmation. If this 5-minute can get inverted, that's pretty far. Yeah, yeah, we're still like, what, 140 points away from the draw. So it's not like I'd be taking anything in here, at least, I don't think, unless there's something like really clear. But like in this leg right here, it's not looking like we're seeing a move up, but I don't know, now we're seeing some hesitancy and we're not really seeing that follow through that I was looking for. Like after seeing this displacing candle out of this little micro range, I'd expect the next candle just to continue higher. But we're not really seeing that. So I think we just broke out, and then now we're gonna maybe create a new range maybe. Or we just end up completely rejecting now off of this 5-minute. And now we continue lower. That's also a possibility. I would actually love to see that. Just this 5-minute gap holding. And then now we actually get like the nice displacing move lower. And then we target this 4-hour unfilled gap. That would be amazing. There's also a lower time frame SMT. This low got taken by NQ. ES didn't take out this low. So there's two SMTs that are kind of pushing us higher. Like we got an SMT and a fair value gap right here. And it's following this micro trend that's going on. So this SMT isn't bad. It's not at, two random lows, right? Like they're in a fair value gap, following the trend. Point of liquidity, getting taken out. So not a bad SMT, and we're clearly reacting off of that. This whole stream might just be me literally just waiting here, just like sitting and just talking. There could be a possibility where in the stream, like, you won't even see me place a trade, and that's completely fine. That is completely okay. All right. Now we're seeing a push higher off of this lower time frame SMT. Um, it's looking a little bit better now. Now we're seeing some sort of market direction. So I'm a little bit more confident in this getting taken out. But of course, like always, we need to see like a follow through, right? So we need to see some heavy candles going in this direction. All of this right here is like low volume candles. But yeah, I mean, like, we have two SMTs that are like pushing us higher. So just really going based off of that, because volume isn't telling us the story. So you have to use SMTs in this case to know what the story is. Damn, this is so boring. This is actually so boring. We're actually just stuck in this range, bro. This whole range right here, right? New range high, new range low. We're literally not picking a direction, bro. Oh, this is so cooked. Why are we doing this? Why are we genuinely doing this? I mean, I guess so. I mean, like the entire day has been, or not day, but on the higher time frames, like we have been ranging, right? Like we're ranging since yesterday. All of this is just range bound conditions. There literally is not a single fair value gap in the last 3 hours. So, I mean, like, bro, not even the last 3 hours, bro. It's like in any of this right here, there isn't a single fair value gap. So that kind of like tells you the story right there, honestly. It's just range bound conditions. So I guess it does kind of make sense why even the lower time frame is accumulating a little bit. Like all of these candles, and we still haven't taken out, or like we still haven't filled this volume imbalance right here, and like taken out news high. So at this point, bro, what you have to really do, the method, bro, the method to keep yourself sane, like not to fucking lose control, just doom scroll, bro. Fucking doom scroll. Doom scroll on TikTok. Dude, all my shit is literally like fucking trading anyway. I'm cooked. I have nothing on my TikTok besides fucking trading, basketball, and cars, bro. Some fried shit. Yep. Waiting. Waiting. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm even fucking waiting for. We're not doing anything. So annoying. Yo, my bad, guys. I was just hitting a little scroll session. Okay. Looks like we're making some sort of move now, maybe. I don't know. I have no idea. This could just be another, like a fake out range breakout candle, and then we just create a new range, and then we chop a little bit more. So, but yeah, if we can actually get some follow through, this would be good. Just taking it to this high right here. Big ass gap right here, bro. Big ass volume imbalance right here. Crazy. Literally on the 15-minute time frame. Huge imbalance. Did we even take this out? Holy shit. No way we just created equal highs. You actually have to be kidding me, bro. These are 100% not ideal conditions. I don't even think I can secure a winning day today, honestly. It's just like what are we doing? But yeah, I'll give this like 30 more minutes, and if we don't make a move, it is what it is, honestly. I'm not going to force a setup. Yeah, not forcing a setup at all. Just waiting to see if the move happens or not. Yeah, pretty fried. Yeah, my bad for not really talking. There isn't much to talk about unless we actually make a move. So we took out these data highs now. Um, just looking for a push higher. So maybe I can take a trade to here. Yeah. Fried, fried. So fried. Oh my god, absolutely fried. Like, we didn't even go and take out this 4 hour, bro. Like, this would be the best thing to see. We go tap into this 4 hour, then we push higher. But I guess this kind of got trumped because of the SMT. But I'm still not really that confident, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, bro, 635. Bro, we were 7 points away. That's just insane. And then now we got volume just dying down. No. Looking at this, though, we are kind of rejecting off of this right here. We have a nice displacement close. Then you go break even here. Then you target this low right here. But I was looking into it. But honestly, I just really didn't want to fight what was going on in the higher time frame. Like, we're clearly just ranging and not really like a A plus setup. But like the trade would look something like this, right? So what you have like this 30-second gap right here. See price go into it, reject off of it. Now we get this nice confirmed close, I guess. Take your short here, stop here. Then you're just targeting this low right here, right? So I don't know. I wouldn't have taken this personally. Like, it's a little fighting like the counter trend, right? Going against the trend. There's a clear draw up above here too. Yeah, wasn't anything like that clear unless you dropped down to the 30-second time frame and saw this. So yeah, it's just a little bit more riskier to take something like this. Yep. But maybe we can get a push higher maybe and then take out this high. But again, no volume towards this high whatsoever. I honestly just might speed up this video, bro. Like, just a little bit, because holy shit, this is actually, we're getting nowhere here. Genuinely getting nowhere. Honestly, I might honestly just call it in like 5 minutes, bro. I'm gonna keep it real with you, cause we are seeing nothing. All of this is nothing right here. Yep. Oh my god. 3 more minutes, bro. 3 more minutes, and I'm just gonna call it. Maybe off stream, I'll take some sort of winning day, but I'll maybe check back again in PM just to see if I can secure another $200 day. But yeah, beside that, bro, yeah, pretty unconvincing price action. Only potential trade was like that setup that I marked out, right? Like over here. I was looking into it. Wasn't really that convicted in it, so I didn't take the trade. Um, Even if I did, I probably would have held to this 4 hour gap, right? Because that's the actual prominent draw, not this low right here. But after seeing the SMT, I would have closed. Still though, I didn't take that trade. Didn't see that much conviction in it. So, yeah. Not really seeing, not gonna take the trade if I don't have a reason to take the trade, you know? But yeah, man, you'll have days like this. That's the thing. Like, you will have days like this where you literally just have to sit on your hands and just wait for that good setup, bro. Because if you're trading like any of this movement right here, any of this, all of this right here, you are really just frying yourself, and you will regret, trading conditions like this. So I guess whenever you feel like that temptation, bro, you just have to find a way to tell yourself that, like, bro, it's just not worth it. Like, you have to like kind of think in the future and know that your setup will be there. Like, it will literally be obvious, and you won't even have to think about placing the trade, right? Like right here, I had to think a little bit, so that's why I didn't take that trade, because, right, I had to think. And if I have to think, it's like, all right, I'm not really that convicted in the trade, so I'm not going to take the trade. If I don't have to think, then yeah, I'm just placing the trade. I don't even have to think about it. Like, I don't even have to do anything. I don't have to reason with myself. I literally just click the button, boom, sell. And then I let the trade play out. So yeah, that's one really important thing. And I'll actually just end it off on that right there. So yeah, no trades today, at least on the stream. I'll see if I can secure some sort of winning day. If not, that's cool. All right, guys. Just a little update. So today was just a winning day. After I ended the stream, kind of took a little break for like 10 minutes and just checked the charts a little bit to see if there's anything going on. And so basically, the reasoning behind this trade is that we have a swing high right here, dip a little bit lower back into the range, and then we consolidate a little bit, and then now I'm seeing a nice breakout. And off of this displacement candle in the middle, I just enter. I'm looking for 5 points to secure a winning day. And yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I just wanted to put that in there. So $200 across 5 accounts, so that's like 1K for the day. Pretty slow start to the series, but we're gonna get some good trades in later on. But yeah, I'll see you guys next video.